For University of Illinois Extension, I'm Todd Gleason. June is National Dairy Month. Spraying a fungicide on corn in the Midwest has always been a 50-50 proposition. It's related to cost. Half the time, it bumps yield by a couple of bushels, and this can sometimes be enough to cover the cost. However, if that corn is going into silage, some new work from the University of Illinois says the improvement in feed efficiency for dairy cattle can pay for the fungicide not just once, but maybe twice. This is simple science to understand, yet it's important to note it seems only to apply to milk production. So, not for beef cattle. Dairy cows fed silage from corn sprayed with the fungicide give more milk, says University of Illinois dairy scientist Phil Cardoso.
In the dairy cows, what we've seen is that they gain feed efficiency. So, especially because we fed, in our experiments, we fed to cows after peak of lactation. So that means after 60, 70 days in milk. So cows really, they start giving less and less milk every month from after the peak. So what we saw was that those cows, to produce the same milk, they ate less of that material, of the corn silage.
Well, the reason this happens is because the leaves of the corn plant, when harvested for silage, are in better condition. They're greener and more digestible. Interestingly enough, says Cardoso, there isn't any change in the total mass or weight of the material harvested, so no yield bump, just a healthier plant made that way because the leaves are protected from fungal diseases.
In our trials, we had linear responses, so that means applying one time, 2 times, or 3 times. 3 times was even better than 1 time. However, when we put an economic on it, more than 2 applications were not worth it. And most likely, 1 application, you're always going to get a return on it.
1 application of a corn fungicide improves silage feed efficiency. The statement has been true in the U of I field trial since 2013, and it's not related to the presence of a fungal disease in the field. The silage contains less fiber and more sugar. This improves the fermentation process, improves the quality of feed, and improves the feed efficiency of the dairy cows. For University of Illinois Extension, I'm Todd Gleason.